Roger.
Yeah, my general.
Intelligent you'd like you. See, you know? See, you're not waste man or nothing like that. I want to know how you find yourself and move like how you move. Because you go hard, you know? You know? How you move, so?
Circumstances, you know, my general. Boss, you know, it's a while I make for sure it is what. True, I know I'm burn you with certain things, you know. Because I know you know the down name muscles, you know. You want to see, me I work on my album about 2 years straight, you see? And you have this producer boy, I try to cheat me out of everything where man work for. Him go link up muscles, she knows I come from the same community, you know. I want to tell you, say muscles, lick down my baby mother, you know. Lick down my son, you know. Just show a producer who want to cheat me out of the album where man work on 2 years. The producer claims say I him fund the album and I him own all the rights.
Hold on, man. How you say, man? Your baby mother and your youth?
You hear me I say?
Who muscles?
Muscles, man. Anytime I catch them boy there, instant fire, you know, I done make you know.
Muscles?
Yeah, man. Shoot me I tell him, man, kill my baby mother and kill me youth, man. I lick down my friend who introduced me to the producer, man. Yeah, man.
For what? For what? For what? What? For what? For what? What you doing?
Then that me I show you, man. Show man work on him album, man. Me and the producer work out a deal. Him get 25%, me get 75%. All of a sudden, him get him lawyer them for change up the thing. And say, I him did a fund the production of the album, so me not entitled to nothing. You see him? So me say, you know, that another contract where me sign and step out, you know, me and the same girl where them lick down, you know. And from ever since, the boy them just want me, forget the original document. And it's like them go down on baby mother yard and lick down my baby mother, lick down my youth, you know. Yeah, man. Dreadful things, my dad.
Yo, this serious, man. It's serious. So that's why you got so hard. You need some help, you know? You know, some real killer, you know? Some real top killer, you know? We can help you with that problem, you know?
Yeah, my general.
Because the man sound serious and this serious. See?
Yeah, general.
I mean, you're a serious boy, too, you know? But
what you mean,
you know, some
man?
real killer we can sort it out for you. See? Well, I'm not calling me as well, man, yeah? You say your baby mother and your youth.
Tell them, man.
About music.
Music, you know.
That sound right. Yo, Juvenile.
Yeah, General.
How are you up in your corner?
Yeah, General.
I saw the man come check you, you know. Hear that? Ah. Go up on the corner. Check the Juvenile.
Yeah.
He might carry the link a man named Flying Dagger. See him?
Flying Dagger.
Flying Dagger. See him? He might want to top killer them. Right? So the Juvenile up on the corner, just go up on the corner and link the Juvenile. And he might carry the link. Top
Flying
killer.
Dagger.
See him?
Yeah.
He might help you to sort out the thing. You see? Ras, why just go on?
Up man, gunshot board box and duff cut, man.
Yes, sir.
Headless. Youth, man. Not even a dog with piss against the walls of Babylon and escape the judgment, man, you know? Yeah, man, we give thanks to your strength, man, you see?
Got you, youth. See, let's go deal with that. You hear that?
Ah.
Let's go kill people, man. Yo, hold on now. Yeah, got you, Ras. Yo, see the man there get there for me. Let in the man there get there for me.
Yo, Juvenile, are you smoke dark card?
Yeah, man.
So where are you? Where are you drive or?
No, man, we can't walk, man. Right
you know,
around
man.
here.
That journey is too long, you know.
No, man, I just down the corner road and something.
Make sure, you know. How far you bring I go? Eh?
I go right round there, some man, right round there, some.
I'm like a chop, you want to come chop rascal, man.
Right round there, some. Flying dagger. Flying dagger.
Dagger.
Wow, my dog.
What little work some more you mash me, you know?
Yeah, man, anything I'm dope, you know.
You have 2 youth, I'm want you lit down.
Yeah.
You know Jiggy Wednesday?
Yeah, man, I know Jiggy Wednesday, man. You hear me? That's make me know them, man.
You're the only one who can go in and get out. That's some boss I know, you know?
Yeah.
Come here say you bad pan the dancing thing and is it?
Yeah, man, I don't know, man. Just make me know the boy, them kind of bust them up.
Alright.